This is John Young with Weekend Handyman, and we are at the GIE show here in Louisville, Kentucky. We're looking at some of the cool new things, and that brought us over to the Husqvarna booth. They have got a new zero-turn that you really want to check out. We've got Sean here from Husqvarna. Sean, tell us a little bit more about this 200 series mower.
Thanks, John. Appreciate it. Appreciate you coming to the booth. We're real proud of our new Z200 series for 2015. The Z200 series is a next generation of our previous RZ series. And what we did here was we brought the level up on a refinement level to really get a nice looking product, a well executed product, but still maintain our great features that we've had in the past. I'm going to run through some of that for you.
Yeah, great.
Starting from the front and moving back, we have a new cover plate on here that not only is good looking, of course, but it also doubles over as an anti-slip surface. Everything you see here is an anti-slip. Getting off and on a zero-turn mower, particularly if it's wet outside, we don't want people to fall down and hurt themselves, so that was a key point. We maintain our tube-style chassis arrangement rather than going to a lesser expensive stamp chassis. Having a tube-style chassis gives us one distinct advantage in that I have access to my deck from the top side. When you go to a lesser cost stamped chassis, for instance, that whole top end is solid. You can't get at the top. You can't clean the grass out. You can't get to grease your grease nipples and things like that. This is a big advantage.
Oh yeah, I can definitely see for maintenance, what a great idea.
Moving over to the left side, we've always had a great deck lift system. It's always been an assisted deck lift system. When you're raising and lowering the cutting deck, you're going to do it several times during your cutting. We want to make sure that that's easy for the consumers. By moving that up to the left side and assisting that deck lift, you can see how I'm raising and lowering this thing standing here. And you can do the same thing with a 250-pound fabricated cutting deck. Well executed, well designed. All of our control points for steering levers all covered now beneath the rubber bellows. So it cleans that up, keeps dirt and debris from getting underneath there. Very easy access to everything on the underside. You get at your linkages, your battery, all your electrical components are very easy to get to. We use endurance commercial engines or endurance series engines or Kohlers on these products, so you have a great variation of product. 46-inch, 54-inch, 42-inch, and 48-inch cutting decks as well. And this particular one we're looking at, John, is the Smart Switch equipped. Smart Switch came out last year. It's a great success for us. The short version of this is it takes away the ignition key and it makes it more intuitive for an operator to use. It's as simple as when you sit on the seat, it wakes the system up, and now you enter a quick little code which you can program from 1 to 5 digits that activates the product for you. So for example, if I hit 321, before I can get a chance to start this product, I have to rectify my safety faults, which in this particular case, I forgot my blades were turned on. I got to make sure my sticks are out. When that's blinking green, I'm one push away from starting that engine. We have an exclusive automatic choke ready start on our engines that allows us to do this. So you are truly one button push and the engine starts. Since this product, the Smart Switch, has an onboard computer, we'll also do clever things like battery status. By pushing and holding the battery button, it will change color to tell me if am I good, am I bad, or I'm in between. As you see, the Smart Switch button is in between green and red, which would tell me I'm in a nominal position, I'm good. If it was red, it means I should charge my battery. If it's green, it means I'm good to go. And then last but not least, things like LED headlights. Anything Smart Switch will have LED headlights. These are very bright. They're going to project to where you want to see rather than scattering light all over the place. It's a big feature for 2015 is LED lights. And then if I want to put it into a safe mode so I don't have to worry about children touching or starting the machine, it's as simple as pushing a couple buttons and put it back to sleep. So really great technology, very intuitive. It takes the mystery out of starting a mower.
Wow, that's great. If people would like to find out more information about this, where could they go?
We have, of course, Husqvarna dealers all across the United States, and please go to Husqvarna.com and you'll see everything you need to know.
Great, thanks, Sean.
You're welcome.
This is John Young with the Weekend Handyman.